Hi everyone, my name is Onyi Igwe and I am from the Galkley College of Engineering at the University of Oklahoma. And so today we will be participating in a very interesting activity. It is called the egg drop activity. So a little bit of background about this activity. We have a bunch of friendly eggs from Eggland. Today they are going parachuting. And it is your responsibility to ensure that that goes on without a hitch. And that means that you have to prevent them from being cracked because they are jumping from high surfaces. So this can be done with the use of a parachute, or this can be done with the use of a contraption that enables them to land on the surface safely without being cracked. So before we can get into this activity, there are a bunch of things we need to understand. We need to understand the forces and the energies that are at play here, which I will define right now. So the first force we have to understand is the gravitational force. Now, I know a lot of you have heard about gravity, but I will define the gravitational force, and it's very similar. So the gravitational force is the force that pulls two objects towards each other, and it is very strong on Earth. Whether you can tell or not, you are being pulled and you are pulling all the objects in the universe towards yourself, but you can't tell because humans do not weigh that much. So you can't really tell that this is happening. But what you can tell is that you are being pulled towards the center of the universe. You're being pulled towards the ground. This is why I'm sitting and I'm not floating. This is why when you drop this ball, it's going to go downwards instead of up, left, or right. And so that is due to the gravitational force. The next thing we need to define is the potential and kinetic energy. So the potential energy is the energy that is within an object with virtue of its position. So this is the energy that is contained in an object when it is staying in one place. So you can see that this ball, currently it is not moving. And then when it starts to move, it loses its potential energy. Kinetic energy, on the other hand, is the energy that is within a moving object with virtue of its movement. So you can see it is in potential energy right now, and then kinetic energy. And then when it lands and it's staying still, it is in potential. So potential, kinetic, potential. Okay, the last thing we need to define here is acceleration. And an acceleration is the rate at which a speed increases or decreases. So you can have something while you're driving. If you increase your speed, you are increasing the rate of that speed, so you're increasing the acceleration. If you're slowing down, you are decelerating. Okay, let's get into the activity. So the materials we will be using for this activity are as follows. First of all, you have to get your raw egg. I have mine over here, and I've drawn a little cute face on it. Her name is Etsy. And we have other materials that you'll be able to use to make this activity successful. So we have materials such as a trash bag, popsicle sticks, raw eggs, a styrofoam cup, a styrofoam plate, napkins, fishing line, tape, that is Scotch tape as well as masking tape, and rubber bands. And so using all these materials, you are tasked with building a contraption or a parachute that enables your egg to survive a fall from a high height. So if you think about it, think about the ways that you can manipulate different things such as the potential energy, the kinetic energy, as well as the acceleration. You'll notice that if something falls faster with the faster speed down, it is more likely to exert a lot of force on the object, causing the object to shatter, versus a very light fall where it's basically floating down, which would prevent an object from shattering. So good luck on this activity. I can't wait to see what you guys build. Good luck. Take care. Bye.